Hey y'all, today I'll be reviewing and installing this 13 by 6 T-part bob wig that I got from AFSISTERWIG on Amazon. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this 13 by 6 T-part bob wig that I got from AFSISTERWIG on Amazon. This is the AFSISTERWIG 1B27 short bob lace front ombre straight transparent lace frontal T-part wig, 180% density, Brazilian colored Remy virgin hair blunt cut wigs for women. I got the 10-inch, and like I said, this is the 13 by 6 T-parting wig. Alright, now when I got the wig, it came in the Amazon packaging, of course, and then in this little box, slide it out, there's the wig. It has like this cute little gold star ponytail holder, wig cap. Now to take the wig out, take this net off. This color, I ain't gonna lie, really cute. It might look like brassy on camera, but you know, you can fix that with some purple shampoo. I didn't change the color because I loved it. I might even like add a little yellow tone on top. So anyways, yeah, so there was minimal shedding. This is a T-part wig, so yes, it could part back 6 inches, but the frontal area is only 1 inch. I really like the fact that it has this little removable elastic band, not even an elastic band, removable adjustable strap, just so this wig does not have to be glued on. It can be glueless and it'll fit really snug. I like that. And I also like that this lace is kind of transparent, I guess. You can color it any color you want. Perfect for any skin color. And the hair itself is so soft. So far so good for me. I'm loving this cut. We'll see if we have to fix it up later on. So yeah, before I install this wig, I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots and do all that stuff, customizing everything while it's on the mannequin head. And I'm not gonna do any talking through that. I'll be back later on in the video. Enjoy. Okay, now for the install. I'm gonna go ahead and slick my hair back with some Got to Be Free spray. I got my wig cap on. It has a little bit of makeup on it, but I'm not gonna put too much because I'm gonna put a lot of makeup on the wig itself. So we good. And I'm just gonna try the wig on and see how it's looking so far. So far, so good.
Wow. No. Yes, bitch. No stiff, bitch. No, none of that.
All right, and now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off with my zigzag scissors and then put it back on. And I won't be gluing this wig down, it'll be glueless, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush the hair back and use my Got to Be Free spray to seal it down. And then when I'm done putting the Got to Be Free spray, I'm going to go ahead and put the elastic band and go underneath the dryer for a few minutes. Well, until it's dry. Okay, so yeah, my phone ran out of storage, so I missed a clip, but now I'm working on the baby hairs. I'm using my Sheisbombcollection Bomb Glue Gel. Like I said, all the products I'm using will be listed in the description box below if you're interested. I'm going to go ahead and slick my edges down with this gel, and then I'm going to go over it with some Got to Be Free spray, tie it down, and go underneath the dryer again. Alright, now before I get underneath the dryer, I'm going to go ahead and get some Sheisbombcollection tint foam and put it into my part, blend it in. And this is what it's looking like so far, but I'm going to go ahead and blend the lace in with my skin tone a little bit more by putting a little bit more concealer on top of the part and on my hairline. And then I'm going to go over the concealer with the tint foam. And then I want to underneath the dryer for about 5-10 minutes. And this is the finished look. Okay, I really love this color. Yeah, and the hair is so soft. Even after I washed it and bleached knots and all that extra stuff, it's really soft. Got minimal shedding, really bouncy. The cut is perfect. Only thing I had to do was like cut little baby hairs, and it's a T part, so there's not any other parting space, but that's cool. I want to give a big shout out to AFSISTERWIG on Amazon for this wig. More hair information and a link to purchase is in my description box below if you're interested. And I want to give a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love y'all so much. Mwah.